My name is Derek Russell. I'm going to tunerschool, just kind of broaden my mechanical ability, I guess. I've been a diesel mechanic before, and I kind of wanted to get into a different aspect of it all.
My name is Sean Antonia. I am attending tuner school because basically it was the first school of its kind in the country. No one else really has anything like this. You basically have to go on an apprenticeship and learn from somebody else. They started taking the GI Bill. That was another motivator. And then also I am mainly focusing on the high performance field. That was my main interest. And this school really teaches you the etiquette and the tuning side of it, which is big nowadays.
Right here. Oh, you already. Yeah.
On the Camaro, we installed a fast intake with some newer fuel rails to help the flow of air coming into the motor, hopefully bump up some horsepower. We put the Camaro on dyno after doing all these part swaps, but we did see quite a bit of an increase.
The past 2 days, we basically put a Boss 302 air intake manifold on the Mustang. So we did run it on dyno today. Lost a little bit of torque on the bottom end, gained a little top end.